Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Pinterest account into a private account. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest tab. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our feed. From this we have to go into the saved menu, and then in the saved menu we have to tap on the little cog in the top right corner. Then we can tap on settings to open up the settings, and here we can tap on profile visibility, and then in top we find private profile. If we tap on this, our profile is going to be turned to private, and now only people you approve can see your profile. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.